So now, eat more and fast. Who can finish everything fast and who can eat more will get a surprise. Arya and Rian are having a nap now, so I need to prepare snacks for them. I just thought, like, since madaming mga fruits, Daddy Riz bought plenty of fruits, so I will be cutting some of them and they will do fruit mukbang. So let's see who can finish faster and who can eat more, because both of them, they love fruits. It is one of the things why I like here in India, because the fruits are very cheap and so sweet, and there are a lot of options and varieties that you can choose from. Ready for snacks?
Yes!
Go, 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 go! What snack is coming? Look, what are you having?
Watermelon.
Oh.
Now let's start the challenge.
Okay, but wait, you have to name all the fruits. Arya, what fruit is this?
Watermelon.
What fruit is this?
First me.
Okay, what fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple. This one?
Watermelon.
Sweet melon. This is?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. And this is?
Grapes.
Grapes. And this is?
Banana.
Banana.
about
What
this?
about Arya?
No, mommy.
What about okay? What about this one?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, Arya, can you name this fruit? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. What about this one?
Sweet melon. Sweet melon.
Sweet melon. What about this one?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This one?
Orange.
Oranges. What is it?
Grape.
Grapes. What is it?
Banana.
Okay, which is orange? What color is the watermelon? What color is the watermelon?
Red.
Red. What about the grapes? What color is the grape?
Green.
Green. What about banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
How about me?
What about what's your favorite fruit, Rian?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Watermelon.
Me too.
You too. You like watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not ready yet. We are so excited to eat. Okay, now we're gonna have a challenge. Say hi to everyone first.
Hi.
Say mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
So today, we're gonna have what?
We're gonna have fruits.
Fruit mukbang. But, are you so hungry?
Yes.
Yes.
And
So,
I'm also hungry.
you're too hungry, okay? How was your nap?
Good. And when I was taking a nap, my tummy was so starving.
You're starving
So you're hungry.
Does it make a sound?
Yes.
What sound does it make? Grr, 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 grr. Oh, Arya is little monkey. I think she will be eating lots and lots of bananas.
Are you monkey?
What does the monkey say, Arya?
And mommy, I am racing car.
What is the monkey?
And mommy, I'm racing car. I'm gonna eat very fast. And
Very fast. Oh, Arya, not yet. I didn't say go yet. Okay, so now eat more and fast. Who can finish everything fast and who can eat more will get a surprise!
That's
So who will be the winner?
me.
Arya, Arya, Arya.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go! जल्दी 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 जल्दी
Jali, 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 Arya.
जल्दी फटाफट फटाफट.
Fatapat, quick, quick,
Who
quick.
is the winner? Who can finish more?
Yeah. Jali. Who can finish more? How much you can finish, okay? Don't wipe it on your t-shirt. There's a tissue. Banana.
Yeah, very good,
Okay.
Rian. That's a good one.
Yes.
You'll finish the banana. So Rian is going to finish one banana.
Okay, put the pill outside the plate, please. Put the pill outside the plate.
Yeah.
Yes. Mmm.
Wow, Arya also going for one more banana. Banana.
Yes. Oh, the monkey is eating banana.
Yes.
What a big bite. Mmm. Oh, Arya, look at Rian. Rian is having a big bite. Is the watermelon sweet?
Who is eating faster? I cannot see anyone eating faster.
Arya, okay. Let's see who will finish the banana first.
Me.
Who will finish the banana first? Then
You're
we'll
going
see.
to car, right?
Okay, you're racing car. You're a racer.
You're ready to win. Wow.
Okay,
You are ready to win.
Your shirt says ready to win. Okay.
Who is faster in eating? Arya or Rian?
Arya.
Arya, Arya, Rian, Rian, Rian.
Wow, Arya is very fast. Good job, Arya. That's my girl. Yes, my boy. Oh, you're eating wow, you're eating multiple things, huh? Arya, please fast. Wow, Arya is a big
Ah.
You have a big mouth. Good job.
Next.
Next. Watermelon, get ready.
Yum, 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 yum.
Jaldi, jaldi. Rian is still slow. Jaldi, jaldi. Is same watermelon is same pieces you put?
Yes, of course.
Both has the
They
same.
have equally watermelon, oranges, and apples. Okay.
Jaldi.
No.
Beginning
Jaldi, jaldi. Don't wait. You finish all the sweet melon. Arya, jaldi sweet melon. Finish jaldi sweet melon.
Finish the sweet melon, Arya.
Apple will take time. Take the sweet melon. Arya is the winner. I can see Arya is very fast eater.
Is it sweet, Arya?
Yes.
Mm.
Your t-shirt is getting dirty. Monkey is also eating. Put your t-shirt down.
Wipe your mouth. Get the wet wipes. Very good.
Good job, bacha.
Okay.
Now take Arya sweet melon. Jalili sweet melon. Good job, Arya. You are really competitor, huh?
Okay, what Rian is eating now?
Grapes.
Grapes. Well, you're eating grapes, huh? Is the grape sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Monkey's also eating grapes.
Ooh,
Monkey also eating grapes.
monkey also eating grapes.
Arya is a monkey. You know that today Arya is monkey.
Mm.
And then, racing car.
Yeah. Oh, Rian is eating so many. Mix. Watermelon.
Don't get choked.
Sweet melon. Mm.
Rian, little king.
Arya.
Okay, jaldi.
Delhi, next. What is next? What did you do?
Don't you think?
Who is a cheater?
Hurry up.
Arya put in. No, that's bad.
No, that is
Cheater.
worse.
Cheater. Arya is a cheater.
Cheaters never win. Oh,
No, that's bad. Don't do that.
Not you.
Then put in Rian's plate, okay?
okay, now Delhi, eat. Arya, don't stop. Keep eating.
You still have apple. She finished already one apple. Jaldi, Arya. Oh, you still have in the mouth. Oh,
What is that? Okay, more. Jaldi, faster. Wow, Arya is a winner. Arya, eat sweet melon. Arya, eat sweet melon.
what do you have?
I have some dates.
Grapes? Okay.
I'm gonna have.
Is it a challenge?
Yes. We have eaten now.
We have eating challenge?
Yes.
But you are not eating.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Eat jaldi.
I think I'm gonna win.
Aryan is going to win because Arya is talking now.
This will be the surprise.
Wow!
Okay, now finish that. Finish
And I
that.
won this one.
Yes, okay, finish it. Whoever wins, then you will get the prize.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, then eat now. Eat.
Time for my
Not tissue, not tissue.
Don't eat the tissue. You eat the fruit. Eat the grapes now.
Yeah, Rian is the winner. Rian almost finished. Syrian's plate is almost empty. Arya still has.
Aya. Ay, nako.
Are you resting? Are you resting before eating too much? So what's next? What's that?
Orange.
What's the shape? Is it a triangle or a circle? Circle.
It's
Very good.
round.
Circle and round.
Grapes.
What is triangle, Arya?
Watermelon. Watermelon triangle.
Triangle.
This one. Aya, you know we could build a triangle. I don't like
What?
that one is not. That is like a chewing gum.
The chewing gum, the texture.
Don't eat
It's
that.
okay, don't eat it.
Put it down.
Put it down on your plate.
Yeah.
It's okay, we can put it down also.
Arya. Show me what did you finish till? Oh, you still have more.
Who has more?
Arya has more still.
Aya has a little bit.
Rian is the winner. Rian is the winner. Rian will get the gift. Arya will get the gift. Finish.
What happened? You want to pee?
Yes.
You wanna-
Jolly, go,
you wanna
break,
time
break, time out. Done?
Arya, see, I'm back.
I'm back
From where?
in the toilet.
From the toilet. What did you do in the toilet?
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
What did you do in the toilet?
I mean, no.
What? No, you're
I mean no. no.
What did you do in the toilet?
Now time.
Jolly, Rian is winning.
Got it. Okay, then eat.
Jolly.
Yes, finish.
I ate the watermelon seed just by mistake.
By mistake?
It's
Okay.
banana.
Wow, Rian is the winner. Rian is almost done. See, his plate is empty, almost empty. He has only few grapes, few oranges, and 4 apples are still there. Oh, apples are. It's hard to eat. It is not. We cannot eat faster. Yeah, you finished apple already, and you still have a sweet melon and grapes and watermelon. Good job. Hey, monkey.
Arya, sit down on your seat. Oh yeah, we're gonna win. Rian, win. Looks like someone is winning.
Yeah.
Arya walked out. Let's see if she'll come back. Arya, Kuya is winning. Are you coming? Are you coming? Okay, go.
Did you see that plastic?
What are you having now?
Biscuit.
Biscuit? But this is a fruit mukbang. Why are you having biscuit?
Then put her out of the game.
She'll be out of the game.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everything.
So Arya is literally a monkey. See? She wouldn't sit for a long time. She left her fruit. So, you're not gonna win. You're not gonna win now. Huh? Okay, you don't want to play the game, eating game. Okay, you'll go back, right? Win. Kuya will win. Kuya will win only. Or they say, Kuya, go, go, go. Dali.
My mouth is full.
So, this is the gift.
Who wants this chocolates?
Me?
You are not in the game now.
If you want it, then you have to
Come.
finish your food.
Why you eat biscuit then?
You're out of the game, right? Right?
No, she's back.
Back of the game? No, she's going out, then she's going to be out of the game.
She just had a little time out, but now she's back.
Oh, she's back in the game.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
But she still has a biscuit in the mouth.
Go now.
Oh no, Arya! Oh no, come on.
Arya is back. Who is the first monster? Arya is the first monster. Arya is eating so much. Oh no. Yeah, because he was keep eating. And Arya was actually, he has still apple. Arya has only 1 apple and 2 watermelon and few this thing. Arya can be winner. Only grapes left now, huh?
Bunny from where?
inside.
Inside there's a pani in the watermelon.
Yeah. That's the juice.
Watermelon juice, right?
We can make any fruits.
Oh, Rian has few grapes
Oh no!
and oranges. Oh, that's
Oh, no.
cheating. That's cheating.
Why are you cheating? Don't cheat, Arya.
I didn't like that soft one of it.
The soft one. You liked it? You liked it, the soft one?
No.
You liked it, what?
Don't pick them down.
Who has more, who has less?
Rian has 4. And Arya has 4 also. Jaldi, Arya, jaldi, jaldi.
I'm speaking, mommy. Rian, don't forget that. It's okay. Correct.
It's okay.
I'm still in the race.
Arya gave up
Arya, you
already.
finished? You don't want to eat the oranges?
Oh, it's not for me.
Huh?
There's such a funny in the. Excuse me, I want to know.
Yeah, there is also pani in the orange.
The last one, Rian had the grapes all finished. Now Arya has 3 grapes, still more. Arya, jaldi, jaldi, come.
You don't want to eat?
She's just monkey. She's wearing monkey.
Rian is eating now his oranges.
Last.
Are you sure you can finish those oranges also?
Sure.
Good.
Yeah.
Huh?
But mostly I can have a break a little bit.
Okay. Take a break and finish that, okay?
So Arya backed out already. So now Rian is still there trying to finish. I think he can make it. He can finish everything. Right,
Yeah.
Rian?
Yeah, but I have 4 already.
Yeah, 4 already.
Yes, still 4 more.
Yes. Rian is not giving up.
I'm giving up, right?
You're giving up?
Yeah.
No.
I'm giving up.
But now you want to eat it, finish it, huh?
You want to finish or you want to eat? You want to eat or you want to leave?
I want to take a break.
Okay, take a break.
See, eating is tiring also, no?
Yes.
Do you feel full?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Time for me to eat.
So now Rian is going to take the last bite.
Yes, then I'm going to be the winner.
Wow, you finish. Good job, Rian.
What is that?
You are ready
Rian?
to win. See?
Congratulations.
You open the red one.
And give it to?
Thank you, Arya. You open the red one.
Open the red one and give it to Arya.
Arya, who is the loser?
Yeah. Let me see this.
Winner, and you are? Loser.
Loser.
Why you're loser? You didn't finish everything, no?
Aww. Now you have 1 left, but oranges are still there. So Rian is still winner.
What is
Kya,
that?
kya?
Say it again.
I think it's 9.
You will feed Rian?
Yes.
Okay.
Because Rian is the winner.
Yes.
Okay.
Who?
How many?
Rian is your brother?
Yes. Because I'm elder than you, that's why I was the faster. Yes, I am but I did. You are smaller than me, that's why you are the leader.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yes.
Are you, monkey's tummy is full?
Yes.
Is big?
And Mexico's tummy
Oh,
is
no.
full. Let Arya give me.
Okay, Arya will give it to Rian. Arya feed Rian. All chocolate is mine. I give already his winning part. I give him already winning part.
It's yours, all mine.
It's all mine now.
Then?
Is it yours?
Yes.
No, you are the loser, no?
You didn't win. How come it's yours?
Oh. How about daddy and mommy?
I think I won. Where is mine? Where is mine and my baby? Where's mine and my baby?
Thank you, Rian.
Rian, Arya wants to be fed. Oh, Arya wants to be fed. Oh, so sweet.
Aww.
Party's over.
Party's over.
Party's over.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
See you on our next vlog.
See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Sorry ass DJ.